Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two drones that are perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts. In one corner, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, and in the other corner, we have the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, a good camera is essential. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take high-quality photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can even see the sky from a live video feed through your smartphone app. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone takes it up a notch with its 2-axis motorized gimbal and 4K EIS camera. This combination guarantees stunning and vivid footage in a bird's-eye view without missing any details. Flight performance is crucial for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone features altitude hold, which maintains the drone at a certain height, making it easy to control and capture high-quality footage. It also has 3D Flips and Waypoints Fly, adding an extra level of fun to your flight. The Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone boasts powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes, ensuring stable flight and ample time to capture the perfect shots. It also has advanced features like headless mode, automatic takeoff, and altitude hold, making it user-friendly for novice pilots. Safety should always be a top priority when flying a drone. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes with propeller guards and features like low-power alarm and emergency stop, ensuring a safe flight. It also includes 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 20 minutes of flying time. The Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone takes safety to the next level with its GPS module and optical flow positioning. These features make the drone safer, more reliable, and offer extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. It also includes functions like Smart Return to Home and One-Key Return, preventing the drone from getting lost. Both the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone have their strengths, but it's clear that the Holy Stone drone outperforms in most categories. With its 4K camera, advanced flight performance, and enhanced safety features, it's the top choice for those looking for a high-quality drone. Thank you for watching Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below which products you would like us to compare next. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.